It's now time to celebrate some birthdays, and we are starting with Tatum Ryan in Iola. She is turning 9 years old today. Happy birthday, Tatum.
And Avery Soderman celebrating birthday number 10. Miss Avery is in Pittsburgh.
Well, I just noticed this is a very long list of birthdays we've got to go through, so we're gonna have to plow through this. Caden Hudson turning 12 in Chanute. A very happy birthday to Caden.
All right, and we've got birthday love coming from the grandparents going out to Abram Frankenberry, who's now 17 years old in Frontenac.
And over in Girard, with love from the family to Lainey Miller on her 17th birthday. Very happy birthday to you, Lainey.
Aw. And let's see, we've got Timothy Atkins celebrating birthday number 33 this year in Pittsburgh. And I've got a birthday note, happy birthday from Isla.
We've also got Kyle Tedlock celebrating his 33rd birthday in Frontenac. Kyle, a happy birthday to you.
And Brad Almond in Chanute, turning 46 years old. Look at that. Look at that bird there. Wow. Nice.
That's a good looking bird. Remember the other guy last week with the three? That's still one. No, it wasn't three. It was one big turkey. And that's one big turkey right there.
But I could say that Mr. Almond is also going to have a good Thanksgiving.
Oh, I think so. We've got Mike Ohm turning 59 years old today. Happy birthday, Mike.
All right. And Larry Storm is turning 64 years old this year. And that is a big old fish in his lap there. Larry is in Jasper, Missouri.
We've also got John LeMasters turning 70 over in the wife's hometown, Carthage. So Carthage, make sure you celebrate Mr. John LeMasters as he celebrates 70 years young on that nice looking hog.
And as usual, the party
is in the bus.
Party's in the bus. And we'll kick it off with a 75th birthday for Miss Vivian Birch Frost.
We also have Marlene Clark turning 75 years old in Columbus. Happy birthday.
And Ken Kelly turning 77 years old this year. Ken is in Columbus as well.
We've got Danny Coleman turning 78 in Joplin. And Danny enjoys bowling at the 4th Street Bowl in the Seniors League. I don't think he doesn't look old enough to qualify for the Seniors League, but if that's what he's up for, then that's what he's up for. He probably bowls better than I do. Happy birthday, Danny.
All right, and Mr. Gary Lofts is celebrating a birthday today as well. It says here that he's turning 70.
70.
In quotations, turning 70. We know that Mr. Lofts is a former art teacher at Northeast High School. So lots of birthday love coming from your former students.
It certainly looks like it. Samantha Borer in Erie celebrating a birthday today. She works over at Farmers State Bank in Walnut, Kansas. So if you're at Farmers State Bank, you best have a really good Monday birthday party planned.
All right, in Pittsburgh, we've got an anniversary to celebrate with Jeremiah and Tanya Davis. Hope you have a wonderful day.
And we've got a golden anniversary in Parsons. Bob and Debbie Good celebrating their 50th anniversary. A very happy golden anniversary to you too.
All right, our list continues with Jane Martin in Parsons. Happy birthday to you. And V. Wells in Baxter Springs. Birthday wishes going out to you.
We've also got Ryan and Monica Clark celebrating their 7th wedding anniversary in Columbus. And again, party in the bus. We got Ted and Linda Garrison in Columbus also celebrating a wedding anniversary.
All right, and last but not least, I don't have a picture of her on here because that's how well I plan things, but it's my mother's birthday.
Oh, well, a very special birthday
Yes.
there, because without her, we wouldn't have either.
Yep, very true. And she's not in the 4 states, but she comes to visit us quite often, and we appreciate that. We love you, Mom. Happy birthday, Teresa.
Absolutely. So, did you know you can submit your birthdays to us? There's a couple of ways to do it. You can do it on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com, or via email at birthdays, that's with an S, at KOAMTV.com, or birthdays, again, with an S, at KOAMnewsnow.com. It's also how you get your anniversaries to us as well, so make sure you send those in so we can celebrate with you.
He keeps looking at me because he's like, why didn't you submit your mom's birthday picture?
Yeah, I'm just wondering. Like you've done this 14 years, you know exactly how to do it.
And most of my family members know that their picture rarely makes it up there. If you want a picture submitted, send it to one of those addresses. Don't send it to me. There you
Yeah,
go.
send it to that. Yeah, don't send it direct to Tanya. It may or may not make it. And the good news is, too, we have the KOAM News Now Birthday Club. You can be part of that birthday club by going to our website, signing up. You get a lot of great deals from local businesses, and it's super simple to do. Just go to our website, look for the KOAM Birthday Club, and sign up today.